guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Saturday, January 9th, I think. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure the number of what day it is. But it's Saturday morning. I just got home from Walmart. I wasn't able to go during the week. I was just too busy with work-related things. So I did go today. And all of this here was about $90, which I think is a pretty good deal. Just things that I had on my list that I needed. There were a couple things that were completely out of stock that I couldn't get. But that seems to be the case the past year. So I'm going to start on this side and work my way over to the other side. Got some Cool Ranch Doritos. My husband wanted them and I personally love these, so I grabbed those. I got these in the checkout line. They're really good. If you like Skittles and you like yogurt, these are good. I've gotten these a few times over the past year, but they're literally just a dipped Skittle and like a vanilla yogurt. So I got those. I got a big bag. This is like the party size bag of the Tostitos scoops because tonight we're gonna have some sheet pan nachos. We had turkey meat taco salads the other night, and I made extra turkey meat because I'm gonna use the turkey meat on the scoops with some cheese and some corn, maybe some black beans, and just make like a sheet pan nacho for dinner, like as a meal. I got a bag of potatoes. These are just the, you know, regular old baking potatoes. Some shredded sharp cheddar. I always like to keep this in the house because I use it for several different things, and I'll be using it tonight for the nachos. My son wanted this Moana yogurt. I think he saw someone with it at school because he kept talking about Moana yogurt all week. So I just Googled Moana yogurt and this picture came up, and I showed him the picture to make sure it was the right one, and he said that it was, so we're gonna try it out. I did need some different bags, so I do buy mainly the Great Value brand bags. They're a better bang for your buck and they're really good quality. So I got the Great Value square bags. They're like literally a square shape and they're small. They're a snack size, so they won't fit like a sandwich. I also got the Great Value brand gallon freezer bags. Sometimes I'll buy meat and portion it out and wrap it and then put it in these for the extra protection. So I got those. I got 2 packages of taco seasoning mix. Again, I made turkey taco salads the other night, so I used the last packet I had of this, and I like to buy these things 2 at a time if I can. I did get a Finish dishwasher cleaner. I've talked about this product in many different types of videos. I just really like this. They are pricey. It always pains me to pay $5 for this because there's only 3 cleaning pods in there. But I find even using it just once a month, it really does make a difference, just from personal experience. So if you're looking for something just to make your dishwasher itself just feel cleaner and more sanitized, I do recommend them. I just wish they made them in like a bigger pack because technically you're supposed to use these once a week, but I use them like every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, or every month, depending on how often I even remember. This is a large bag here of cooking onions, just regular old basic yellow onions. My son and husband and I are going to do hot chocolate later. There was not a lot to choose from for hot chocolate. There was this one and then this one with marshmallows in it. We actually have our own marshmallows, so I got just the regular milk chocolate and we'll add our own marshmallows to it. I needed some more of my Murphy oil soap. This is like an all-purpose cleaner, but it's safe for wood. So I use these to like wipe our cabinets down, any wood surfaces, tables, things like that. So I really desperately needed that, so I grabbed it. I got some Minute Maid Zero Sugar Pink Lemonade. I've been really liking this, as well as the Zero Sugar Fruit Punch. It's just really tasty over like a large glass of ice. Got a few large bananas for my son. A couple green peppers. I'm going to do some just traditional style stuffed peppers with beef, rice, tomato sauce seasonings. So I just needed 2. I got 2 large ones and I'm going to cut them in half. A big package of napkins, very slim pickings for napkins. I really like I think it's called Vanity Fair, but maybe not, Vanity something brand. I think that's what it's called, but they didn't have them, so I just got the Walmart brand. I also needed more like all-purpose dusting, cleaning rags. So I get usually about once a year I will grab these. They're just a Walmart house brand mainstays. It's a 9-pack. It's like $3 or $4. I think it's like 3 something. And usually every year I'll just buy one and throw out the old ratty ones that have like holes or something. But I use them for all different kinds of cleaning. My husband uses them too, like in his workshop, for different things. They're just really good and inexpensive, and you can throw them right in the wash and the dryer. I got some beer for my husband. It's just the Saranac brand Irish Roots variety pack, just for him to try, you know, something different. The normal food I get my cat, they did not have, so I just got this. She has had this before and has no problem with it. It's just quite a bit more expensive than the other one, but all the cat food as far as wet food was like pretty much wiped out, so I went ahead and grabbed this, and this was actually the last box. I got a Suave hand soap. I've tried a couple of these now, this packaging, this product, but just in different scents, because they're inexpensive. It's a large bottle and they're good. So I got this Ocean Breeze one for the upstairs bathroom. Got some toothpaste things. I just got us this Crest baking soda and peroxide with scope toothpaste. And then for Grady, I got the Tom's, the silly strawberry flavor. It's like a minty strawberry. And then this Act Kids bubblegum flavored fluoride toothpaste. I try to get his 2 at a time. He's actually out right now, so one will go in the bathroom and one will go in the, you know, the backup drawer. I got a couple wipes, some Pampers Expressions. I love both of these. This is the Fresh Bloom scent, and this is the Botanical Rain scent. I've used both of these exact products. They're really nice. So I got a couple of those. Some tissues, the Walmart brand. I like the ones with the lotion. And I'm just trying to get a big stockpile of Kleenex and tissues because we have them literally in almost every room of the house. We have one in both of our, you know, each of our vehicles. I keep one at my desk at work. We really need to stock. I need to keep stocking up on these because they are very slim pickings. I also got some ginger ale for Matt, just the canned Schweppes ginger ale. I think that's it. It wasn't a whole lot of stuff this week because I had been stocking up, you know, the past few hauls. And I still have a lot in my pantry cabinet and my freezer. So I just really am buying, you know, just what I need, not too much extra overflow because I have a pretty good stock of things. So I'm going to share now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Okay, so meal plan for the upcoming week, but before I get into that, I wanted to ask for some input. So some of you might remember, if you've been watching my grocery hauls for a while, I got a jar of ghee, which is just like a clarified butter, and I still, to this day, have not opened it. And I'm curious if you have used ghee, or you are curious about it, or maybe you've been thinking of buying it, or you've seen it, or whatever the case is. I'm curious if you could comment below if you've used it and what you use it for. Do you use it just like butter? Do you use it for specific things? Any like tips, tricks, insight on ghee, please leave the comments down below because I spent, you know, a decent amount of money on that jar. I want to use it. And of course I could just go ahead and like research it and look into it because I have seen people cook with it and stuff, but I just want to know from, you know, people who watch what you use it for if you use it. Otherwise, getting into this week's meal plan, my dinner's meal plan is always it's never in any particular order, just a heads up. So one night I'm going to do stuffed peppers, just very traditional beef, rice, tomato sauce, some cheese, and then I'll just do salad and bread with that. One night we're going to just have twice baked potatoes with a salad. So like the baked potato and the salad is the complete meal. I'm pretty sure I have a cooking video on twice baked potatoes that I make. I make them pretty much the same every time. I'm going to do a double batch because I'm going to freeze half of them. I'm trying to kind of start stocking up my freezer with things that I can pull out and use for dinners. I'm also going to make Manhattan clam chowder. I already have the clams. I think I have everything I need to make this. So I'm going to make it, and I'm also going to freeze half of it. I prefer New England clam chowder. I will eat Manhattan, but my husband prefers Manhattan, so I'm going to make a double batch and freeze half of it so we'll have another portion to use this winter. Last week, I believe I had lemon pepper shrimp on my meal plan. It never happened. I think we just had too many leftovers and I didn't need to pull the shrimp out, but I went ahead and transferred this from last week's meal plan to this week. So again, it's lemon pepper shrimp with rice and veggies. I'm also going to do the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joes. Her recipe is really good. You can literally just Google Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joes, and chances are you might already have all or most of the ingredients to make it. I just serve it on rolls, and then I'll just make some oven fries with just some skin on potatoes, some EVOO, rosemary, salt and pepper, and a little garlic. Next week, the 14th, I don't know what day that falls on. I think Thursday, maybe Friday, but that is my birthday. So I am turning 40 years old, which is crazy to me to even say out loud. So next week, my mom, you know, my parents are planning something for me. We're not going to go out because of everything going on, but we're going to either go to my parents' house or my house, and my mom's going to cook some kind of a birthday dinner for me. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm 100% positive I'm going to love it because my mom knows what I like to eat and I love eating her cooking. And then of course I have my freebie night, which I have every week, which I can just sort of wing it and make whatever I feel like making that night. Have a great rest of your weekend. Please be safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.